Most people think mental health collapses suddenly. But what if I told you it actually collapses quietly? One tiny habit at a time. And the opposite is also true. You heal quietly, slowly, subtly. So subtly that you may not even realize you are getting better. Today, I'll show you 18 small habits that silently rebuild your mind from the inside out. And if you stay until the end, I'll reveal the one habit that transformed me the most, and almost nobody talks about it. Let's begin. 1. The slow morning minute. Before grabbing your phone, give yourself 1 minute. Just one. Not meditation, not journaling, not affirmations, just stillness. Because the first thing you do in the morning decides who controls your day, your mind, or the world. This 1 minute is like telling your brain, I am in control. And that single minute slowly becomes the foundation of your mental peace. 2. The name it to tame it rule. Instead of saying, I feel horrible, try saying, I feel overwhelmed, or I feel disappointed, or I feel scared of failing. Naming your feelings reduces the emotional charge by almost 50%. You can't fight what you can't see. Label it, and suddenly it becomes manageable. 3. The micro-walk reset. When everything feels too much, don't overthink. Just walk for 3 minutes. Yes, 3. You don't need a gym. You don't need a park. Walk around your room. Walk outside briefly. Walk to the gate and back. Movement breaks mental stagnation. Your body shifts, right arrow, your mind follows. 4. The one thought at a time practice. Overthinking isn't the presence of many thoughts. It's the refusal to let any thought finish. Try this today. When you find your mind racing, say internally, let one thought finish. This slows your brain like stepping on mental brakes. It trains clarity. It reduces anxiety. And over time, it helps you become calmer than most people you know. 5. The 10-second posture fix. Every time you slump, your brain interprets it as defeat. Every time you straighten up, your brain interprets it as capability. You'd be shocked how much your mental health improves just by standing like the strongest version of you. Because your body isn't just a passenger, it's a communicator. 6. The end the day gently habit. People destroy their mental health by ending their day the same way they lived it, rushed, chaotic, overstimulated. Try this instead. Turn off bright lights, play soft music, stretch for 1 minute. Ask yourself, what's one good thing that happened today? You're teaching your brain. The day is allowed to end peacefully. That alone enhances emotional stability. 7. The 2-task productivity rule. Instead of overwhelming yourself with a long to-do list, choose 2 important tasks a day. Just 2. Completing 2 important tasks every day for 30 days will change your life more than doing 10 tasks inconsistently. Mental health improves when your brain stops drowning. 8. The no-argument boundary. You don't have to explain your boundaries. You don't need to argue. You don't need to over-justify. Learn this line. I understand your point, but I'm choosing this. Calm, confident, clear. You protect your peace without fighting for it. 9. Make your bed, but think about why. This isn't about neatness. It's about completion. Your brain loves completed tasks. Small wins build mental momentum. Small wins build self-trust. Making your bed tells your mind, we're capable today, we're moving. It's a 10-second habit that turns into confidence. And confidence improves mental health more than any motivational quote ever will. 10. The 3-object declutter. You don't need to clean your entire room. Just remove 3 objects every day that no longer serve you. Clutter is delayed decisions. And delayed decisions create mental fog. Every object you remove is like clearing space inside your head. Do this for a week, your room changes. Do it for a month, your mind changes. 11. The low stimulation evening. Your brain is tired long before your body is. If you flood it with tick-tock noise, drama, scrolling, chaos, your mind never gets a chance to rest. 1 low stimulation hour a night, lights dim, soft music, no scrolling, slow energy, will heal your brain more than you think. Mental peace isn't built in the morning, it's built the night before. 12. The hobbies without monetizing rule. Pick one thing you do simply because it makes you happy, not because it makes you money. Paint, dance, play games, garden. Listen to music, cook something new. Mental health thrives when joy isn't tied to productivity. You deserve joy for the sake of joy. 13. The 5-minute digital detox. Every few hours, put your phone in another room for 5 minutes. That's it. Your attention span resets. Your thoughts settle. Your nervous system cools down. Tiny detoxes throughout the day are more powerful than one big detox once a month. 14. The talk to yourself like a friend habit. Your internal voice becomes your external reality. Imagine your younger self sitting next to you. How would you talk to them? You would be gentle, encouraging, understanding, forgiving. Talk to yourself the same way. It's impossible to hate yourself into becoming better. 15. The let people be wrong about you skill, one of the biggest drains on mental health, trying to correct every misunderstanding. Sometimes the healthiest thing you can do is say nothing. Let people have their version, you live yours. It's not your job to manage other people's perceptions. 16. The 10% effort on bad days rule. You don't need to be 100% every day. On bad days, aim for 10%. A shower, one healthy meal, a clean desk, a few pages of a book. Doing 10% on your worst days keeps your mental health from collapsing. 17. Micro-connections. Say thank you to a stranger. Compliment someone's hair. Ask someone how their day was. We underestimate how much tiny positive interactions recharge the brain. Humans are wired for connection, even brief ones. 18. The most powerful habit, silence. This is the habit people avoid because silence forces you to hear your real thoughts, but silence is where healing actually happens. Sit in silence for a few minutes a day. No phone, no music, no scrolling, no YouTube. Just you and your mind. You'll notice your stress lowering your decisions, becoming clearer, your self-awareness rising, your overthinking calming, your creativity increasing. Your mind has wisdom, you just never give it space to speak. These 18 habits won't change your life overnight, but they will change your life quietly, the same way falling apart happens quietly. And if you start applying just 3 of them today, you'll look back in a few months and think, I didn't even realize I was becoming stronger. If you want to go deeper and build on this momentum, watch the next video I'm linking right here. It reveals the hidden mindset shift that turns people from stuck to unstoppable. I'll see you there.